So, are you looking for more time to spend with your family, your kids, or just to do stuff for yourself? Hi, if you haven't met before, my name is Deanne, and I am a single mom from Ontario, Canada, and I'm a mess. So, what I mean by that is my life is so crazy and chaotic, and I'm so busy all the time that I haven't been able to find time for my kids and for myself and to go on vacation and my friends, and it's just enough. Like, I work 2 full-time jobs. I work one during the day, I work one at night, and my life depended on me working those 2 jobs so that I could support my kids. I did everything for my kids by myself, and I was the one that they relied on, so I had to do that. So when I started going through TikTok and I started finding all of these apps, or sorry, not all these apps, but I've seen all these creators that are making all kinds of money online, I'm like, you know what? I can do that. I can, if they can do it, why can't I? Why not? I mean, I have been fortunate enough that in my life I have been able to, figure out how to pay for things. And not everybody has been able to do that as well, but like in terms of like my retirement or time freedom, those things have always lacked. So nobody can say that I'm not a hard worker, because I have always had more than one job, sometimes 3-4 jobs at a time. And my kids, there's been lots of times where they have said to me, like in their Christmas, like Santa letters and stuff like that, I want my mom to be home. And, this is the type of stuff that I want to do. I want to be home with my kids. I want to be able to plan things. I want to go on crazy vacations with them. I want to be able to show them the world and stuff that I wasn't able to experience when I was a kid. So if this sounds like you, and this is what you are trying to do as well with your life, and you want more time freedom, or you need more money for retirement, or you don't like your job and you want to replace that income so that you can figure it out, I welcome you to look at digital marketing. Digital marketing is a way, it is a tool to help you get there. And I've come across this daily pay blueprint that is literally like, we've got people in our group that are making like $100,000 within 2 months, $200,000 within 4 months. Like, it's absolutely crazy. And it doesn't matter if you're 19, it doesn't matter if you're 70, it doesn't matter if you're in between. This is step-by-step guide that just helps you along. And come along with me on my journey to just have a look at what I'm doing and let's all help each other succeed. And if you'd like more information, put a comment in the comment section, give me a like, give me a follow so that I can get up to 1,000 followers so that I can post my link in the bio. But I will send me a DM if you want to, if you don't want to post it on there. But you can do this faceless. You can do this by posting videos every day. We literally teach you everything on how to do it. So by all means, I welcome you. Comment and let me know what you're thinking. Tell me where you're from. This can be done internationally. So it doesn't matter where you are. There are so many millionaires that are being made in Africa right now. It's crazy. I see these dings every day. Go through my videos and find there's like the daily wins. People are posting on there all the time. So you can choose. You can start off at $100 US. You can start at 3, start at 6, start at 9. You can choose what you want to start at. And it literally, like, there's 2 costs. There's your $100 or up to $900 for your program. And depending on what program you choose is like how many products you get to resell. There's a $29 website fee. Then beyond that, like, we encourage you to get your own domain, which is your GoDaddy or account or something like that, and like you're a verified and an email attached to that. So that's literally what that's what the costs are, and everything else is taught to you to do things for free. So I welcome you to reach out to me, ask me whatever questions you want, And I look forward to talking with you some more.